What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we have an unboxing from speedcubeshop.com. Quick cut from the video telling you to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications if you haven't already. We upload videos every second day, so it doesn't hurt to just press the subscribe button and help the channel out. Alright, let's get back to the video. So this is the Yuxin Cloud 5x5. I've heard that this is the best budget by 5x5. Next to the Meilong, which I don't know which one's better. I have both now. So let's unbox this. Alright, so we have the cube not wrapped in plastic. And we have the pamphlet that everyone reads. And for this video purpose, I'm just going to show the pamphlet. Now let's turn this cube. Okay, this is like really sandy. And, oh wow. Okay, so for checking tensions on a 4x4 and up, I usually hold the middle with my index fingers, and then I pull apart like that. But as you can see, I'm pulling as hard as I can, and yeah, this needs to be tensioned. So here I have my giant screwdriver because my other one actually doesn't fit. These screws are actually too big. So yeah, I'm going to tension this. Alright, I just finished tensioning this, and let's do some turns now. Okay, that is a lot better. Might actually be a bit too loose. If I really like this, I'm probably going to magnetize it. So, yeah, this is a bit unstable now. But now it's quite fast. Alright, so I just tension this to my liking, and let's put these caps back on. Alright, I actually just lost... Oh, never mind. I found it. Alright, now with the caps back on, let's do some turns again. Okay, this is a bit loose still, but I'm sure if I magnetized it, it would be fine. These shades are very different from the Little Magic series. They're a lot, brighter, especially the green. It's kind of a lime green. And, yeah, I'm going to break this in because it's like really sandy, and I'll continue the video in a couple of weeks. See you then. Alright, so it's been about 5 days, and I finished breaking this in. It lost the sandy feeling. I still have not lubricated it yet, or magnetized it yet. I'm going to do some solves, but my favorite characteristics about this cube is that it's nice and smooth and fast. So, for example, a T-perm, like, I can't do as fast on a 3x3, but I can do it, like, as fast as I can do it on a 4x4, so, yeah, and the, layers do stay together pretty well. But I'm still going to magnetize it because it's just, like, way more satisfying to turn, and, yeah. Let's do some solves. So, let's start with the pros. So, the pros is, well, this 5x5 is only $9, which is even cheaper than a bad budget 5x5. But, more pros, it is really smooth and fast, which is really good for big cubes, because you want it to be, like, smoother and faster, so you don't have to put as much effort into each turn. And also, it's really, like, the color recognition on this cube is really easy because the shades are pretty standard. They're not, like, super bright or super dull. They're pretty good. They're on the brighter side, which is good. And yeah. By the way, the first 2 times on this video, they're really slow, and that's just because I haven't been doing a lot of 5x5. I've been mostly doing like one hand and blindfolded, not really 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, so the first 2 stalls are pretty slow, but they'll get faster, not as fast as I used to average, but I'm going to start practicing 5x5 because I really like this 5x5, and it's cheap. I am going to make a full review on this cube. I love it so much. And also, I am going to magnetize it. I know that for a fact because I like this cube so much. And yeah, let's get to the cons. So the first con is obviously it doesn't come magnetic, which makes sense because it's only $9 and it's a 5x5. Like even 3x3s, you can get only a few for like less than $10 that are magnetic. So yeah, the second con is it is really heavy and it tires your hands out. Like your joints, your bones, they get really tired because this is a heavy cube. It's even heavier than my magnetic Meilong 5x5. So even when I magnetize it, it's going to be even heavier, and that is going to be a problem for like stamina. So that's basically it for first impressions on this cube. I'm going to make a full review, and I'm going to make a video magnetizing it, because this is a great 5x5. And yeah, the rest of the video is just going to be solves. So, see you in the next video. Bye.